good morning, guys. We are out. Got a little light there. I'm not sure you can see me or not. Probably see my silhouette. Heading out here early, way before sunrise, because it's been very hot every day, and I'd rather start early, finish early, find that fish, go home. So let's see what we catch. All right, we're trolling here. We might be on something. Let me see. Okay. Oh, no. Came off. Came off. Ah. Check my bait. See if the lure's still there. Yep, we're good. All right. I use trolling too to kind of find out where the fish are, because sometimes, like, you know, there might be a little pocket and then you go on top of it and then that's where the fish is holding there, so you kind of stop in that little area and try to fish the area for a little bit. I do that sometimes, but I'm trying to get to the other side and see what happens. I can't tell if the lure's getting stuck on grass or I'm getting hit by some nibbles. Yeah, I think it was just grass. All right, it's so slow right now. Barely got bites. I'm out here in the pass now. See if there's like an influx of water or something that might change something here. We'll see, because I haven't even gotten a bite so far. See how it goes. Might try that little island there, right there, and maybe, because gotta do something. I have a little friend here with me. Where are you? He's gonna pop up. He's right next to me. Come on, don't be shy. He's just swimming right along the kayak, right next to it. Here it comes. Yeah. Nice. That was a good hit. It didn't get it. Oh, come on, dude. They're here, so I just gotta be in the right place in the right time, and then hopefully they'll hit. Get it. All right, fish on. Come on. Oh, spat it out right in my face. I don't know what's going on. That's 13 hits that didn't, like, got hooked. And now there was like a... Go for it, go for it. There's a bunch of reds here just sitting there and they don't... 14 times. Again, it's just like sitting right under. Right under. And then when he's up, he's leaving it to the last minute to attack. And then by the time he gets close to attacking, he's too close to the kayak. And then he sees the kayak and then spooks. Come on, man. Oh, that was a giant one. That was a giant. Get it? Three times. Are you kidding me? He came back twice. And that was a big one too. I keep missing them because they attack, like they never hit the lure. They're always hitting something behind it, and it's probably grass. I'm gonna switch this lure. It took me 20 fucking tries to figure this out, but maybe that's what it is. I'm gonna get the moonwalker in because it might be the problem. I think that's how I'm missing them. Good Lord. I hope that's what it is. Because then I won't know. I just saw it from up close. He didn't go to the lure. He went to whatever was trailing behind, like all this grass. So I think that might be why they're not hitting it. Okay, now we're on. There's a red right behind the snook. He's trying to eat the snook. Oh crap. Okay. Well, of course. All right, now he came back for it. That's it. Come on. All right, there goes the skunk finally. After like 30 times missing this fish. Holy cow, man. That's like, can't believe it. But I got one at least. He's like got a lot of energy. I got him really quick. I'm gonna Get him out. Okay, he got it. He got out by himself. He's good at that, I'll tell you that. Stay down. I got you. You're gonna hook yourself again. Okay. There. Boom. Tiny little guy. Not very big. 2 spots. That's a cool one. Let me get you a picture and see how big you are. You hurt yourself there, didn't you? 19. Well, it's a keeper. Didn't think it was going to be a keeper, but that's good. Look at him. Alright, so 19-inch red. That's my first fish of the day. It's exactly noon right now. I've been here for 6 hours. And that's the first fish of the day I catch. I mean, I had like over 30 hits on this lures, and I don't know why they're not engaging it, but finally one did. It was a not juvenile, because it was keeper size, but small keeper size. That one actually went for it. But I missed so many, like at least 30 times I did. I hooked on 2 out of the 30, and then they came off. And then, yeah, like hooking wise, I'm about 10%. It's, you know, like not even. I'm being able to hook 10% of this fish here today. Okay, let's go. What is it? Alright, it's a nice trout. Get here. What is that next to it? That was a bigger one right next to it. I'm gonna try to get it. Oh. Never mind. Okay. We got 1 trout, 1 redfish, and I thought I was gonna get skunked, so that's great. And this net, that's my next purchase, is getting rid of this net. So terrible. I always get caught. Okay, calm down, hey buddy. Okay, boom. Right there. All right guys, that was it. One more day. That was insane. I had about 40 hits on that top water lure and couldn't catch him. Well, I caught 1, but like, I mean, it was busy all day. I mean, actually in the morning, not too busy, but in, you know, late morning, I start getting hits on that, and I don't know why. I'm gonna go get one new top water lure, because I'm thinking it could be the treble hooks that are not sharp enough. I might get some new treble hooks too. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do that and see if it makes any difference, because it was like 40 something hits on that. I could have caught at least 20 fish today if they were like actually getting hooked. So I don't know, but anyway, fun day. You know, I stayed a little later today, so it's so hot. I gotta show you something. I have a lighter that was in my backpack sitting here, and it exploded. That's how hot it is. It was just sitting there, and then out of nowhere I just heard a big boom, and then look back. That's it. No lighter anymore. That's good. All right.